Hello IG Garage family. If your scanner is showing the P2204 code, don't ignore it, because this code is related to your vehicle's NOx sensor heater system. And if left unresolved, it can increase exhaust emissions, affect the SCR system, and eventually reduce engine performance. What does P2204 mean? P2204 stands for NOx Sensor Heater Control Circuit Low Al Bank 1. In simple words, the ECU has detected that the heater circuit inside the NOx sensor on bank 1 is receiving lower voltage than expected. The NOx sensor contains a built-in heater. This heater quickly brings the sensor up to operating temperature after the engine starts. If the heater doesn't work properly, the sensor cannot provide accurate NOx readings. As a result, the ECU cannot control emissions correctly. Common symptoms. If your vehicle has P2204, you may notice: check engine light on, DEF or emissions warning light, poor fuel economy, increased exhaust emissions, failed emissions inspection, reduced engine performance. And in some diesel vehicles, the engine may enter limp mode or reduced power mode. Sometimes, you may not notice any driving problems except the check engine light. Component location. Now let's talk about location. The NOx sensor is installed in the exhaust system. Depending on the vehicle, it is usually located before or after the SCR catalyst. Bank 1 refers to the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. The NOx sensor has an electrical connector and wiring harness that connects it to the ECU or NOx sensor control module. Since it is mounted underneath the vehicle, the sensor is exposed to heat, water, dirt, and road debris. The most common causes of P2204 include faulty NOx sensor heater, damaged wiring harness, loose or corroded electrical connectors, blown fuse, poor ground connection, failed NOx sensor control module, or ECU problems in rare cases. Heat-damaged wiring near the exhaust system is one of the most common causes. Quick diagnosis: start by scanning for additional emissions-related trouble codes. Inspect the NOx sensor wiring for burns, cuts, or melted insulation. Check the connector for corrosion or moisture. Test the heater circuit voltage and ground using a multimeter. Verify fuse condition if applicable, and monitor NOx sensor data using a professional scan tool. How to fix P2204. Repair damaged wiring, clean or replace corroded connectors. Replace blown fuses if necessary. Repair poor ground connections. Replace the faulty NOx sensor if testing confirms failure. Clear the code. And perform a complete road test to verify the repair. Final result. Fixing P2204 will restore proper NOx sensor heater operation, improve emissions system performance, reduce harmful exhaust emissions, prevent reduced power mode ... and help your vehicle run efficiently again. If this video helped, subscribe to IG Garage, and comment your vehicle make and model for more diagnostic help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.